Okay. So here is baby Sherman,
Good boy.
who has a big
Oh.
hiccups. He's so sleepy.
Oh,
Oh.
what a good boy. My Michael George.
Oh.
What a good baby. Oh. Oh.
He has a big hiccups. Oh. Oh, but he was so sleepy. Oh.
Let's give him a little bit of milk in a bottle. Formula.
Huh?
That'll help stop the hiccups.
You know, he don't like. I gave that bottle.
Yeah, just a little to taste. Okay. That's good, sweetie.
Huh?
Taking pictures or video?